Connecting technology with global veterinary care. Welcome to the future of animal health. VetsAll. Advanced, integrated solutions.
Thinking about raising chickens? Let's get you started with the Beginner's Guide to Raising Chickens. This guide has everything you need, from choosing the right breed to building your own coop. Learn how to raise healthy chicks, keep your flock safe, and even solve egg shortages with expert tips. Plus, it includes step-by-step guides to build your perfect chicken coop. No more guesswork. Ready to rule the roost? Click the link below to get your copy now and start your backyard flock today.
For online booking, go to our website www.vetsall.com.